Hi everyone! Today we'll discover how every mistake can lead to a surprising and creative ending. Let's see how even a little chaos can turn into something memorable. After not so great attempts, I finally poured on interesting mix of colors and shapes. The yellow paint made the dark green and red really pop from underneath. I add some details like spikes and spines, then left it on the floor to dry. Such a silly idea. The next day I stepped into the room with my grandchildren, where I usually paint. I turned away for just a second and guess what? My little grandson, who isn't even 2 years old, had his hand almost completely covered in paint. Instead of getting upset, what's the point, we waited a week and decided to add our fingerprints to his accidental masterpiece. One coat of matte varnish later and voila! Our family treasure was complete. Please remember, paintings are most exposed to destruction in the first 48 hours after pouring. Keep them safe from dust, sunlight, or curious fingers during this time. Believe me, I've lost many paintings by being careless. For a detailed guide on how to safeguard our drying paintings, check out the video description below. Protect your work and enjoy the peaceful drying process. Bye bye!